Dreamy. Taste.
Hey friends!
Today we are drawing a tulip! Let's get started! We will start by drawing the petals of our tulip. Now we will draw its stem. Let's draw leaves. We will color the petals pink. It's looking beautiful! Now we will color the stem green. At last, we will color the leaves with different green colors.
And it's done! Bye friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.